If you want to open an app in floating window on OPPO Find X9, then we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. For example, if you use the gestures for navigation, then you can start swiping from the bottom towards the upper right corner. As you can see over here, now we have release to open in floating window, so it looks like this quite easily. Now, let's go back to the full screen. Another thing that we can do is go to the recent tasks or background apps, and you can tap on the app name above the preview in order to find the floating window option. And over here, as you can see, we can now open the app like this. Now, another thing that is quite useful is when you receive a notification. There we go. So if you receive a notification over here on the top of the screen, you can actually drag it towards the bottom of the phone in order to extend the view and go into the floating mode. Besides that, if you have the sidebar enabled, then we can tap any app on the sidebar in order to open it in the floating window. So apps from the sidebar actually immediately open in the floating window. Of course, we can customize apps that we have available in the on the sidebar over here, so you can choose whichever apps should be quickly accessible like this. And is there anything else? I'm sure there's something more. So we can also apparently drag files when using the floating window, and we can switch to the split screen view. So that seems to be pretty much it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.